Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to check your Jeep Renegade oil level using an easy method. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, level surface. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Next, let the engine cool down for at least 5 minutes after running. This allows the oil to settle back into the oil pan. Finally, grab a clean rag or paper towel. You'll need it to wipe the dipstick. Now let's find that dipstick. On most Jeep Renegade models, the oil dipstick has a bright yellow or orange handle, making it easy to spot under the hood. Carefully pull the dipstick straight out of its tube. Once it's out, take your clean rag or paper towel and thoroughly wipe off all the oil from the metal stick. This ensures you get a precise reading on the next step. With the dipstick clean, reinsert it all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Give it a few seconds for the oil to coat the stick properly. Then, pull the dipstick out one more time. Now, look closely at the end of the dipstick. You'll see two marks, usually dots or lines. The oil level should fall somewhere between these two marks for an optimal reading. If your oil level is below the lower mark, it means your engine is low on oil and needs a top-up. If it's above the upper mark, you might have too much, which can also be problematic. When adding oil, do so slowly, pouring in small amounts, perhaps 1/4 of a quart at a time. Always recheck the level after each addition to avoid overfilling. Maintaining the correct oil level is vital for engine health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.